In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send weekly reminder messages to Microsoft Teams. So let's start. Select Scheduler as a trigger. Next, choose New Scheduled Event as a trigger event. Select the interval. Then choose Start at. Now in steps, we will send a message using Microsoft Teams. Select Microsoft Teams. Choose Send Message as Action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter the team and channel. Add message. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's check the output. Let's go to Microsoft Teams. We can see that new message has been sent to the channel we entered. In this way, we can create an automation journey to send weekly reminder messages to Microsoft Teams. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.